everyone, Vivi here, thinking about a new look? Let's try the AI hair color changer. Pick a color that fits your mood. From bold purple to classic blonde, the choice is all yours. These colors look so realistic. It's the perfect way to test a new look without a trip to the salon. Today I'm going bold with the official soft Apricot Blonde. It's such a lovely shade that adds instant fun and energy. I absolutely adore this vibrant color. Just imagine how much it will brighten up any portrait with its stylish vibe. I'm so ready to show you how this looks. Get ready for a totally fresh and stunning vibe in just a few clicks. Select your reference image and hit Use as Reference. Now, let the AI work its magic. Watch the quest ball in the corner. It won't take long to reveal your vibrant new hair color. It's done. Go to My Assets to see your transformation. The blending looks absolutely professional. Wow, this soft apricot blonde looks incredible. The AI handled the waves perfectly, creating a natural and chic finish. Want to see more? There are so many gorgeous colors waiting for you to discover. Go explore and find your favorite. Vidoly makes it so easy to experiment and find the style that truly makes you shine. Subscribe for more AI tips and comment below to tell me which style we should try next. Start your free trial at Vidoly.ai today. Change your color, change your world. See you.